Mawuli School is represented by
Kunafa Michael Kojo, final year.
Dake Collins, final year.
Gsts is represented by
Aban Panti Kenneth Jr., second year.
Ni Adiku, second year.
Ola Senior High School Ho is represented by
Jogdegauza Patience, final year. Petra Fefafali, final year.
with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Solve the trigonometric equation in the range 0 less than x less than pi. Please give your answer in radians. Have you got your preamble, or shall I repeat? You got it. All right. Mawuli School. Tangent squared x is equal to 1. Yes, Michael.
I have x to be pi over 4 radian.
2 out of 3. I'll tell you why in a bit. With the same preamble, Ola, sine squared x is equal to 1/4. Fafadi.
X is pi over 6 radians. Pi over 6 radians and pi over 3 radians.
2. Gsts with the same preamble. Cosine squared x is equal to half. Is that hand up? Panty.
Okay, we are going to have x to be pi on 3 radians or 2 pi on 3 radians.
That's incorrect. Let me tell you the answers. For you, Mawuli, pi over 4 was right. There's another one, 3 pi over 4, which you ignored to mention. For you, Ola, pi over 6 was right, but your second one was wrong. The right answer is 5 pi over 6. And for you, GSTS, it's pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4 radians. Next set, 10 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Explain how the following factors contribute to soil erosion. That's a preamble. Explain how the following factors contribute to soil erosion. Mawuli, soil texture. Collins.
For soil texture, it talks about the nature of the soil, in that we are talking about how the soil particles are bound together. So when the soil particles are loosely bound, it means that the factors of erosion, that is water or rain, air, will easily lift the soil particles from the surface. But for soil particles that have high texture, that is, they are closely bound together, when the factors of erosion affect it, it can loosely be, they cannot be easily eroded.
Okay. GSTS with the same preamble. The slope of the land. Yes, Adiku.
Madam, please, the steeper the land, the more faster rain on the soil moves, and the steeper the land, the more water washes away the topsoil, such that the covered soil or topsoil will be washed away to a new place.
Yes. Ola. A 150 Newton block begins to slide on a horizontal surface when a 48 Newton horizontal force acts on the block. Find the limiting coefficient of static friction between the block and the surface. Fafali.
We have 0.32.
Yes. GSTS. A 250 Newton block remains stationary On a horizontal surface, when a horizontal 80 Newton force acts on the block, what is the coefficient of static friction between the block and the surface? Yes, Adiko.
Madam, 0.32.
Yes. At the end of the first round, Gsts has 5 points. Ola Senior High School Ho has 10 points. Mawuli School has 11 points. What will happen to red blood cells if they are placed in distilled water for... Yes, Michael.
When the red blood cells are placed in distilled water, because the concentration inside the red blood cell is higher than that of the, or is hypertonic to the distilled water, water will enter the red blood cells by osmosis. And when it is placed inside for some time or for a long time, the cell will increase in size and burst.
Yes. The 3-position isomers of 2-methyl-1-pentene are 2-methyl-2-pentene, 4-methyl-1-pentene, and 4-methyl-2-pentene. Which of the 3 isomers will show cis-trans isomerism? Which of you? Michael.
That's the 2-methyl-2-pentene.
That's incorrect. You rang. Yes, Patience?
4-methyl-2-pentene.
You are right. Solve for x from the equation, the expression ax minus b divided by the expression cx plus d is equal to 3. Yes, Michael. Go.
X is equal to 3d plus b all over 3c minus a.
No, I'm not accepting it. Who rang next? Yes.
We have x to be equal to 3d plus b all over a minus 3c.
Yes. Find the next prime after 151. Michael.
157.
Yes. The gases CO2, NO2, SO2, and CO will all turn wet blue litmus red. Fafali.
It's false.
Yes. Both H2S gas and SO2 gas will decolorize acidified KMnO4 solution. Yes, Adiko?
True.
Yes. In the Brown ring test for NO3 minus ion, concentrated H2SO4 solution is added to the aqueous solution of NO3 minus, followed by addition of freshly prepared FeSO4 solution. Yes, Michael?
False.
You're right. The presence of trichomes on leaves prevents guttation. Fafali?
It's false.
Yes. The presence of trichomes on leaves help in rapid gaseous exchange. Adiko?
False.
Yes. At the end of the 4th round, Ola Senior High School Ho has 22 points. Mawuli School has 23 points. Gsts has 25 points. I am a type of electric generator. I transform the energy I receive into electrical energy. I am a heat engine because I transform heat. Yes, Panti?
Thermoelectric generator.
You're right. I was reading the third clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a historic term for a biological community of plants, animals, and fungi. My community is composed of species best adapted to average conditions in an area. I am sometimes also applied in soil development. I am normally used to refer to an ecological community in which populations of plants or animals remain stable and exist. Yes, Michael.
Climax community.
You're right. I was reading the fourth clue, 3 points. I am a single-digit decimal number. My square is the reverse of twice me. A number is divisible by me if the sum of its digits is divisible by me. I am, by the way, also a square. Yes, Panti.
9.
You're right. I read the fourth clue, 3 points. Last one. My discovery dates to the 19th century. A British scientist went all out to show how small I am. I was supposed to be indestructible then, but he was wrong. Yes, Michael.
The atom.
Yes, it's an atom. I read the third clue, 3 points. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Ola Senior High School Hall has 22 points. Mawuli School has 29 points. Gsts has 31 points.